said, I'll neutralize the target myself. Leon Kennedy. We finally meet.
I didn't realize I had such a big fan. Autograph.
I heard you were a smart ass. Bad for someone at death's door.
Worry about it. How sweet. Sneaky bastard.
Getting a little handsy, aren't we?
Make no mistake. Nothing will stand. In no way, I'll complete this mission.
Ran into trouble. This guy was one tough bastard.
Coming from you, that's quite the compliment.